Today, Michael and Katrina, as you begin your journey in your married life, it's good to connect those events of Jesus in your life as husband and wife.
It's been the kind of year I'd be fine if I forgot you, but I'll never forget it.
Jesus must be your inspiration so that you will remain in love to each other and faithful to your promise as husband and wife. Laging si Jesus dapat ang center ng buhay ninyo bilang mag-asawa.
So raise up your glasses to brand new beginnings, and don't shed a tear for the things that are ending, 'cause tomorrow will bring us a new morning sun.
Ikakasal na pala tayo. Di ko namalayan ang tagal na pala ng pinagsamahan natin. Sa dami ng mga pinangarap ko, Song Joong-ki, yung Dean, Daumi, at Chris Chu, napakaswerte ko talaga, ikaw ang binigay ni Lord.
So I guess now there's proof that all good things.
Katrina, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Michael Ian, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
So raise up your glasses to brand new beginnings.
I'll never forget the day we first met. It was a time I wasn't totally finding anyone, but I found my home in you. It seemed so simple then, but looking back, it was the moment the most beautiful story of my life began.
To come.
8 years later, after countless memories, laughter, tears and lessons, here we are, still standing, still holding on, still choosing each other every single day.
Alam ko, Mike, naka-microphone tayo, so maging mabait ako sa, So, good luck.
Parang kala ko kasi yung depende sa pasensya nyo.
Every prideful second, you can take my eyes.
Galing. Good job.
Attention undivided. You can take my hand away from all the counterfeit. You can take my hand and all its broken promises.
Kat, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty.
And as a promise of my care, responsibility, and concern for you without end.
I ever thought I'll give up everything I'm holding on to just to hold you, just to hold you.
Today, and for the rest of my life, I make you this promise. I will keep striving to be a better person for you, for us, and for the future we dream together. I may not be perfect. There will be days I will fall short. but my love for you will never waver.
Sabi ni God, ibibigay ko ang the best. Mike, salamat sa lahat. Gawin na lang natin na maganda, maayos, at masaya ang ating pamilya para sa ating pagsasama. At gawin natin na si God ang center ng ating relasyon. I'll be your #1 critic and fan at the same time because I love you.
Oh, there's a give and take, falling in love, you make it easier than I ever thought. I'll give up everything I'm holding on to just to hold you, and just to hold you. There's nothing that can keep me from loving you. Oh, there's nothing else I want, nothing else that's even close to you. Oh, there's nothing that can keep me from loving you. Oh, there's a give and taking, falling in love. You make it easier than I ever thought. I'll give up everything I'm holding.
My dear brothers and sisters, I would like to present to you our newly wedded Christian couple, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Ian D.
You make it easier than I ever thought. I'll give up everything I'm holding on to just to hold you, and just to hold you.
You are my greatest love, and I promise with all that I am to be with you, to love you and serve you all the days of our lives, today, tomorrow, and all the beautiful tomorrows after. I love you, Ming, always.
Kiss your sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care if you wanna tear me apart. I don't care if you do.
Put your hands together for the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Ian and Katrina D.
Your sky